Welcome to Arch Game Plan, where we sketch the truth behind the architecture life. In this video, we will discuss the major thing in architecture that everyone should know. So let's get started. Before you enroll in architecture school, or even start Googling design programs, you need to hear this. Because I promise architecture isn't what most people think it is. And if you go in blind, it will eat you alive. So in this video, I'm breaking down the real, no BS truth about architecture school, and the one thing I wish every student knew before signing up. Architecture school equals lifestyle, not just a major. Okay, listen, architecture isn't just a degree, it's a lifestyle. Long nights, no sleep, multiple deadlines, and last-minute design disasters. This isn't like taking a few notes and cramming for exams. It's like waking up in your room and questioning why you pursue this type of course. You need to be mentally and emotionally ready because the grind is real. It's not just about designing pretty buildings. Everyone thinks it's all about being creative. But no, it's math meets madness. You'll deal with structural logic, building codes, climate responsiveness, and software that makes your laptop scream. You're not just drawing your imagination, you're solving complex real-world problems on a deadline. So if you hate problem solving or critical thinking, this might not be your thing. Crits are public roasts, but they're important. Architecture critiques, aka crits, are brutal at first. You'll present your work in front of professors and classmates, and they'll pick it apart like, this design lacks spatial hierarchy. But here's the thing, crits make you better. They teach you to think critically, defend your ideas, and evolve fast. You'll learn more than just architecture. By the time you finish architecture school, you won't just know how to design a building, you'll know how to tell a story. Think visually, present ideas, work under pressure, juggle 12 things at once. You become a designer, a problem solver, a communicator, and a caffeine addict. Passion, talent. Let me say this loud for the people in the back. You do not have to be a born genius to succeed in architecture. What you do need: grit, curiosity, discipline, and a whole lot of heart. The people who succeed in this field aren't always the most talented. They're the ones who show up, put in the hours, and don't quit when it gets hard. So, should you take architecture? Only if you're ready for one of the most challenging, rewarding, creative rides of your life. If you're serious about it, go all in. But don't walk in blind. Now you know what to expect. Drop a comment if you're planning to take architecture, or if you're in it already and this hit too close to home. Like, subscribe, and share this with your studio buddy. Catch you in the next one. Peace out, design fam.